Storm windows are a popular and effective solution for protecting homes in Utah against harsh weather conditions, enhancing energy efficiency, and improving overall comfort. Whether you are looking to upgrade your home's exterior protection, reduce energy costs, or simply modernize your windows, choosing the right storm window replacement is crucial. Here's a guide to comparing different storm window replacement options to help you make the best decision for your Utah home. Exterior versus interior storm windows. The first decision you'll face is whether to opt for exterior or interior storm windows. Each option has its benefits and is suitable for different needs. Exterior storm windows. These are installed outside the primary window and offer an extra layer of protection against wind, rain, and snow. Exterior storm windows are designed to be durable and weather-resistant, making them ideal for Utah's varying climate. They help insulate the home, reduce drafts, and can improve soundproofing. Additionally, they are available in different frame materials, such as aluminum or vinyl, which can be chosen to match the home's aesthetic. Interior storm windows. Mounted inside the primary window, interior storm windows are popular for their ease of installation and unobtrusive appearance. They provide strong insulation, reduce drafts, and can help lower heating costs during Utah's cold winters. Interior windows are often a great option for preserving the appearance of historic homes or when exterior modifications are restricted. Frame material options. The frame material you choose plays a significant role in determining the durability, maintenance, and overall performance of your storm windows. Here are some common materials available for replacement storm windows in Utah. Aluminum frames. These frames are strong, lightweight, and resistant to rust, making them suitable for external weather conditions. Aluminum frames are a cost-effective option but may not insulate as well as other materials, potentially leading to minor heat transfer. Vinyl frames. Vinyl storm windows are popular due to their excellent insulation properties and resistance to moisture. They require minimal maintenance and are often more energy efficient than aluminum. Vinyl is also available in various colors and finishes, allowing for customization to suit the look of your home. Wood frames. For homeowners looking to maintain a traditional aesthetic, wood frames offer a warm and attractive appearance. Wood provides excellent insulation but requires regular maintenance to prevent rot, especially in areas prone to moisture or extreme weather. Consider wood frames if you prioritize style and are willing to perform routine upkeep. Glazing and glass options. When comparing storm window replacements, the type of glass used is an essential consideration. Different glazing options can enhance performance, reduce energy consumption, and provide added comfort. Low emissivity glass. This glass type features a special coating that minimizes heat transfer through the window. Low E glass helps keep your home warmer during Utah's cold winters and cooler in the summer by reflecting heat away. It can significantly reduce energy costs and improve overall comfort. Double or triple pane glass. Storm windows with multiple panes provide better insulation than single-pane options. The added layers create air pockets that act as barriers to heat and sound transfer. If you live in a part of Utah that experiences extreme temperatures or significant noise pollution, double or triple pane glass may be a worthwhile investment. Tempered glass. For homeowners prioritizing safety, tempered glass is a good choice. It's stronger than regular glass and breaks into small, blunt pieces rather than sharp shards, reducing the risk of injury. Customization and proper fit and installation are crucial for maximizing the performance of storm windows. Custom-fit storm windows ensure a tight seal, which reduces drafts, prevents moisture intrusion, and improves energy efficiency. Most professional window companies offer customized sizing and design options tailored to fit the exact dimensions of your existing windows. Costs and long-term value. The cost of storm window replacements in Utah varies based on the material, glass type, and customization options you choose. While high-quality storm windows may have a higher initial investment, they offer long-term savings through improved energy efficiency, reduced heating and cooling costs, and increased home value. Making the right choice for your Utah home. When comparing storm window replacement options in Utah, consider factors like weather protection, energy efficiency, aesthetics, and budget. Consulting with a professional installer can also provide valuable insights and recommendations tailored to your home's unique needs. With the right storm windows, you can enhance comfort, protect your home, and enjoy year-round savings and peace of mind.